Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggless tiramisu. First, combine 1 cup of mascarpone cheese with 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a large bowl. Whip this mixture using an electric mixer on medium-high speed until soft peaks form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to complete your creamy, egg-free base. Next, prepare your coffee. Brew about 1 1/2 cups of strong espresso or dark roast coffee and allow it to cool to room temperature. You can add a splash of coffee liqueur if desired. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring they are moistened but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish, covering the entire base. Now, let's assemble. Spread half of your prepared eggless cream mixture evenly over the first layer of coffee-soaked ladyfingers. Create a second layer by arranging more dipped ladyfingers on top of the cream. Finish by spreading the remaining cream mixture over this second layer of ladyfingers, smoothing the top. For the classic finish, dust the entire surface generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Finally, for the best results, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the dessert to set perfectly. When ready, slice and serve your delicious eggless tiramisu. It's a wonderful treat. Also, for an effortless cleanup, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.